Dave, can I ask you a quick question?
Sure.
Is it easy to import your artwork and your logos and different things when you're building an email campaign?
Yes. How to upload images. So if we go to website, and then we click on Manage Images and Files, this is basically your hard drive on the internet where you can store stuff. You can put PDFs, you can put spreadsheets, you can put pictures, you can put videos, you can put anything you want in here. It's your repository. And I recommend, if you're an organized person, to create folders so you can find things, right? So you can create folders right here. Right here it says plus, new folder, create a folder, give it a name.
So is there a capacity?
Nope, unlimited. You are billed per gig, and we give you your first gig for free. So if you click on product, you can see all of the product images that have been loaded into the system. And so if you want to upload another image, you click right here, it says upload, and you can drag your image right on top of there, and it's going to save it to that online hard drive. You can also delete an image by mousing over it. You're going to see a little garbage can right there. There's also a pencil where you can change the name of it if you need to do any of those activities. You can also change the way that the images are viewed. So there's thumbnails, and then you can do it by size and date and those kinds of things. So how do you get those into a website or an email? It's actually the exact same process. So we'll start with the web page. We're going to click on this web page here. And as we scroll down, this is called a Wysiwyg Editor. What you see is what you get. So over here, we've got the picture on the right. So if we click up here where it says one column, that's the name of the page. If I click that, it's going to do the same thing the eyeball does, where it pops me into the web page, but it's going to take me directly to that page I'm editing. So picture's on the right. And it's kind of big. So I'm going to go over here to the image, and I'm going to grab the corner of it and just shrink it. That's all I got to do. Hit save, and then click that one column again. It's going to open that up, and it's going to show me the new version with the smaller image of the picture. Well, let's say I want to add another picture. I will go down here to the bottom, and I will click on this icon here for insert image. And right here, this folder, that's my online hard drive. That's where I can go to access the same directory of files that I have. So I can click on this picture of a vase here and click OK. It's going to put it in there. I don't quite want it to be that big. And you see this little text funniness that it's doing. We can change that by pushing a line left or a line right. So it's going to format a little better. There's other things you can do with that. There's also access to the HTML, so if you like HTML, there it is. And you can do whatever you want to do.
You can have it, Eric.
Yeah. So we're going to reload that page, and now we can see the vase down there in the bottom. So it's the same exact process when you're editing an email. So if you go to Emails, View Email, click on the email we want to change. There's a picture there. Oh, I got to edit. Got to click Edit. Scroll down. There's the picture. Change the size of it. I can add pictures the same way that I did on the other screen.
So Dave, when you were talking about loading up images, is there a way to attach a document to a client so that you can, like if you have a signed contract or something, you want to attach it to that client?
So let's go back to that suggestion forum. Now you don't need to make a suggestion. What I'm going to show you here is that is a feature that has been requested and is on the docket to be released in our next version. So right here, if you click on changelog version plans, and I think it's in 4.0, right here, Google Drive integration, Dropbox integration, and something called Amazon Zocalo. Let me tell you a little bit about that. We've all heard of Google Docs. You do spreadsheets, Microsoft Word, that kind of thing. Amazon has offered that to us so we can integrate, so you don't even have to use Microsoft Word anymore. You'll be able to do all of that right from your AllProWebTools install. But in answer to your question, our intention is in the CRM to add a related files area. So you could have signed agreements, documents, and whatever pictures of the project that they need done right in their CRM profile. And there's a number of options we're considering for that, to where you can provide access to those files to your customers can upload files to you and it'll be in there, all kinds of stuff. So that's coming for 4.0. There will be a 1.0 version of it in 4.0, and then later on we're going to tweak and add additional features. So we try to release features with the most basic functionality just to get it out there, and then we like to hear your feedback. We love to hear your feedback. So we'll give you a basic feature and then let us know the other ideas you might have on how to improve that, and we'll roll it right in there, 30 to 60 days.